Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com and then see this right hand side, this is search button. To click, enter your model number B860M DS3H, then hit enter. Then click to product. Now click on the title of the motherboard, this one. Then automatically forward to new tab. Click support. Select your operating system which is required, Windows 10, 11. So if you're using suppose Windows 10 and I am making video 11, so you can install this video because installations process same. LAN, Realtek LAN driver. So it is done and open. Double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now it is installing. It will close automatically, means this is installed.